If you're seeing media not found or media lost in CapCut, it means CapCut can't find the original video, photo, or audio file on your computer. This usually happens if the file was moved, renamed, or deleted after it was imported into the project. To fix this, go to the media pool and find the missing file. Right-click on it and select Link Media. A window will open. Click Link Media, browse to the original file location on your computer, select the file, and click Open. Once linked, the media will be restored in your project. You may also see the Link Media option when opening a project in CapCut. If this appears, simply click it, locate the file manually, and load it back into the project. You can also right-click on the media file in the timeline and click Link Media. This will open the same pop-up window. That's how to fix the media not found issue in CapCut quickly and easily.
If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.